Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another demo. So in this video, I'm going to demo this really cool Origami Cicada designed by Jeremy Shafer. And here it is. Cicadas are actually my favorite bugs because I love the way they look and I love the way they sound. And this is what this one looks like. And it does actually make noise. You can just take the wings and rub them really fast like that. It's kind of hard to do, but that shows it can make noise. See, you can rub them really fast like that and it'll make some noise. And it is a flicker. Check this out. So yeah, I think this model is really cool. Oh, and if you want to see what a real cicada looks like, I'll show you. I actually have a cicada collection right here. I have a box. See, these are what cicadas look like. I'll zoom in on one and show you. And yeah, they are beautiful bugs. I just find these dead on the ground outside and I pick them up. And I put them in this display box I got for Christmas. So yeah. Every time I find a dead cicada on the ground, I have a habit of picking them up and keeping them. Yeah, and here I made an origami one. And I folded this model from a 6-inch square of kami from the brand Daiso. And this is the result. And I used brown, not green. And this is also a flicker, and I'll show you how it flies now. So I'm going to hold it by the thorax, and I'm going to flick right here where the head is. Yeah, it's a pretty good flicker. And there's actually supposed to be a cicada outrage this year in like the eastern half of the United States. I live in eastern Kansas, so I'm hoping those cicadas will hit here too. I know they're starting to come out. Yep, that's a pretty good flicker too. Yep, so those of you who live in like the eastern half of the United States, like in Tennessee or Virginia or stuff like that, you might see a ton of cicadas because there's supposed to be a cicada outrage this year. But again, I live in eastern Kansas, so I don't know if I'm too west from there or not, but I don't know. We'll see what happens. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this demo. Hope you guys like it. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Oh, I put a tutorial on the card if you want to learn how to fold it. Alright, bye guys.